Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a free online website which will help you make $710 daily. Go to warriorplus.com. As you can see, they say your profit is our business. This is the best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. As you scroll down, as you can see, for sale automation, they say that time is money, so we provide all of the tools necessary to quickly and easily sell and deliver your products instantly to customers worldwide. Secondly, they have thousands of affiliates. Jumpstart your success by utilizing our army of marketing partners to generate sales to your own digital products and services without the headache. Thirdly, they have top-notch products. Thousands of educational and software products to help you grow your own business and/or promote as an affiliate. Our marketplace has you covered. Lastly, powerful tracking. Always know your stats. People say we have the best tracking and reporting system they have ever used, and we have to agree. You can easily continue to read all details that are on this page so that you can well understand how Warrior Plus works. Now it's time for you to start making money from this website. All you need to do is to create a free account, then find or offer products, and then start making money. Now return to the top of this page and click on Free Signed P button. You will be redirected to this page where you will going to create your account by filling your username, password, email, and tick the box that says I'm not a robot, and then click on Create Account. If you already have an account, you need to fill your username or email and password and click on Login. After creating account, you will be redirected to this Warrior Plus homepage. Go and click on Affiliate and click on Offers. Now you can see different offers provided by Warrior Plus. Remember that these offers will then be the products that you will promote to other people in order to generate income. See the stats that correspond to an offer. You can see the release date, sales conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, and refund rate. These are all important stats in order to determine what offer is perfect. To promote an offer, go ahead and choose the one you want and click on Request. And then you need to click on Request Approval. Fill the request note and click on Request Offer. And after, you need to wait for this vendor to accept your offer, and then you will get access to your promotion link, which you will going to use to share this offer so that in one buys it you will get commission from that. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.